In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by launching settings and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info. It has to be from Flare to developer. When it's ready, launch it. And as you can see after that, I can access all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors in one app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!